Here's a healthy, protein-packed spring and summer fruit shake recipe with flaxseed, hemp seed, and organic pea protein. Spring and summer protein fruit shake. Ingredients: 1 large shake, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or coconut water for a lighter version, 1 scoop organic pea protein, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1/2 cup frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup frozen mango, 1/2 cup fresh pineapple, 1/2 banana for creaminess, 1 handful fresh spinach, optional but very healthy, 4 to 5 ice cubes, 1 teaspoon honey or 1 pitted date, optional. Instructions: add almond milk or coconut water to the blender first, add pea protein, flaxseed, and hemp seeds, add all fruit and spinach, add ice, blend for 30 to 45 seconds until smooth. Taste and add honey or date if you want it sweeter. Blend again for 10 seconds and serve. Why this shake is healthy. Pea protein, high protein, easy to digest. Flaxseed, fiber plus omega-3s. Hemp seeds, protein plus healthy fats. Berries and tropical fruit, vitamins, antioxidants. Spinach, iron, magnesium, and vitamins. Protein estimate: 25 to 30 grams of protein per shake, depending on your pea protein brand. Seasonal fruit swaps, spring and summer. You can rotate fruits to keep it seasonal. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, mango, pineapple, peaches, cherries, watermelon, use less liquid, papaya. Tip: if you want it meal replacement thick, use frozen fruit and a frozen banana. If you want it light and refreshing, use coconut water and fresh fruit. We have also added the weight loss version of this shake. Spring and Summer Weight Loss Protein Shake. Ingredients: 1 shake, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 30 to 40 calories, 1 scoop organic pea protein, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1/2 cup frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup frozen blueberries, 1/4 cup frozen mango or 1/4 banana, just a little for sweetness, 1 handful fresh spinach, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, helps with blood sugar and cravings, ice cubes. Optional: 1 teaspoon honey only if needed. Instructions: pour almond milk into a blender, add pea protein, flaxseed, hemp seeds, add fruit, spinach, cinnamon, and ice. Blend 30 to 45 seconds until smooth. Why this version helps with weight loss. Protein keeps you full and prevents snacking. Flaxseed plus hemp seeds add fiber and healthy fats, which keeps you full longer. Berries are low sugar but high nutrients. Spinach adds volume with almost no calories. Cinnamon may help reduce sugar cravings. Low calorie but very filling. Estimated nutrition: calories, 250 to 300. Protein, 25 to 30 grams. Fiber, 8 to 12 grams. Low sugar. Best time to drink it: breakfast, meal replacement, lunch if trying to lose weight, after a workout, or when you want something sweet but healthy. Pro tip, important: if weight loss is the goal, drink this shake instead of a meal, not with a meal. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship. Thanks for watching.